Hey guys, I think I'm recording. Yeah. So this is the first video and probably the only I'm actually gonna do on my phone. So there's this game on the App Store called Stickman Hook, and I've been playing it for like a week or so now, and I'm on level 1000. So I thought, just in case anyone's like having a little bit of troubles with this game or can't seem to progress that high, I thought I'd make a little hoping video on how to like some tips and tricks on how to get good at this game. And so yeah, let's step right in. So wait, first tip I have is turn on airplane mode while you're playing, cause the game gives you a lot of ads. So you should turn on airplane mode, and it will help. So you get less ads. It will lag a little bit though when you first get on airplane mode. So then I'll just give you less ads and I'll be like, hey, if you like this game, please read it. So first few tips there is to kinda like, slowly get to the next thing. But like use the bouncers to your advantage, and when you are going to the next, I don't know, hook, make sure you get off like at the perfect spot to the point where it's like you don't go back where you lose speed, where you gain speed. And you won't lose speed. Also, by the way, so I've been on CPS like 9. I've scored them all, but I'm gonna try and get this video out. Because tomorrow's Wednesday and that's the next posting day. Also, I might not post Friday. Because I'm gonna have family over. I may not. May or may not. I'm not sure how this is gonna look on whatever device you're gonna watch this on. It might look a little bit better on phone than it will on computer, which I usually post on. But yeah, I'm sorry if it sounds a little bit windy in the background, by the way. I have a fan going on. So, sorry about that. Another tip I have for this game is when you see bounces, well, bounce, I don't know what you want to call them, but I'm not gonna say it's a glitch or anything, but when you use them to a certain way, it can make you fly straight to the end. And let me try and get on the level where it shows that. Oh shoot, yeah, don't do that, by the way. By the way, if you triple tap or whatever, you just keep tapping the screen, you move closer to it and that'll gain you quite a bit more speed than just trying to gain your speed back up like this. But let's try to find one of those levels where I can use the bouncers to my advantage, as I said. Something like this. It's not gonna be the same, but like go like that and you'll start gaining speed, then you just wanna go like that, you see? I just went too high so I didn't win. Let's try to quickly finish with this level. Okay. So here's another recommendation I have. When you are playing this game, try not to die like a lot. I know it kind of sounds like in that recommendation, but a tip. But I know it kind of sounds like an obvious tip to say, but when you die, so you one of these that was, by the way, you just click and hold at the right spot, like right here. Oh shoot. You just want to click and hold at the right spot, just let go, and you go flying forward to the finish. You see, level cleared. That's how I finished a lot of my levels really fast. So if I made like a 10-minute video of me just straight on playing, which I won't, that'd be very boring. But if I made a 10-minute video of me just straight on playing, I'd probably pass like level 100. You guys could find some cool tricks right in this game too that I might have not have noticed. But as you can see my playing strat right here on what's going on, like how I'm playing. I'm not sure if this will perfectly pick up my mic or if I sound loud. I might have to edit it so it sounds louder because my phone mic's probably trash. But sorry if I sound sleepy. I'm just about to go to bed. I'm posting this at like I'm posting this at 9. I school tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to bed. But I'm trying to make it so I can post a video tomorrow, and it won't be super boring. Like I was trying to add on to the video, the idea, the new upload schedule video. I was trying to add on a video to it, but I searched for like 3 hours, an hour or something. I cannot find a single Roblox game. So if you guys want a game, if you guys want to recommend a Roblox game, or, a game that's not Roblox, like, I don't know. Like I'm doing this right here. I'm doing Stickman Hook. That'll be amazing, thank you. And but as you can see, I'm going faster. And hey, kinda just stopped. But yeah, if this video gets, I don't know, 4 or 3 likes, I'll probably do another video on this. I'm not sure if this video is gonna blow up, but yeah, this is pretty much how you. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I should mention. A really good thing to do while you're going moving blocks is you want to like skip across them. It'll look something like this if you do it right. 1 second. Here, let me die real fast. It looks something like this if you do it right. So that's too high, but you see, you quickly go off and on. I can't like that, but that one was bad. It's like, I'm not sure what you would call it, but you would quickly go off and on. You see, like that. You'll gain your speed really easily. Yeah, sorry, my mind's not prospering stuff, but right now I'm kind of sleepy. But yeah, that's basically some tips for this game. Stickman Hook's a really easy game, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this. It's a free game. It doesn't cost any money, which is a big benefit if you ask me. Because in my opinion, it shouldn't be. If this game costed money, I'm pretty sure you'd have better luck finding a free game in the App Store. It's just like this and just paying for it. But if it costed money and I knew how fun it was, I would probably pay for it. Saying how addicted I look to this game. But the thing is, after you get a certain level, game kind of is just the same thing, and then they make it harder. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment that you enjoyed it to motivate me to post more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.